How to create newsletter in Brevo. Hi guys, in this video we'll be learning how you'll be able to create a newsletter or an email marketing on your Brevo account. So you can go to your browser and simply sign in into your Brevo account, and once you're signed in, what you can look into is on the left side panel of the screen and simply go to emails or the campaigns rather. When we click on campaigns, there are other informations on how you'll be able to send the newsletter, whether it could be through email, through SMS, through WhatsApp, web push. You can even have Facebook ads, or you can even set up a template as well for the newsletter. So in order for you to begin for the email template or the newsletter that I'll be creating here, I'll be sending it through email. So this would be an email newsletter that I'll be creating. This is to update the customers if we do have new products, or if we have offered an updated product into our website or into our company's products here. So go to campaigns and go to emails, and you'll be able to see here that there are no emails that I currently have in my account. So what we will do is simply click on create an email campaign. You need to name what campaign this is. And then once you have filled that out, just click on create campaign and you'll be routed into this page. For this newsletter, just click on managed sender. Make sure you have the correct information for the name and the email address. Once that's done, you need to set up or add the recipients. You can go ahead, or you can actually add the context ahead of time. If you already have a list of your leads, you can add it into your Brevo contacts. But in this case, since I only have a few contacts that I have, I'll just choose it manually here into the recipients. And then I will be proceeding with the next step. Or as you can see, since it currently does have a 0 recipients, I will be using another set of contact details or contact folder, since I'm not able to send it if I have a 0 recipient on my contacts here. So I'll be using this first, your first folder. This is containing all the informations for the recipients or the receivers of this newsletter. And then we can add the subject. Here, this will be the subject line. You need to fill out the details, or this is the main information on what the newsletter is about or the campaign is about. So this is for a new product posted. So we need your customers to check it out. So the subject would be new product posted. And then we can edit it out here so that we have on the preview text, it will indicate information, new product posted, check it out. And here on the right side panel of the screen, you can actually have a AI assistant to set up or create a more interesting subject line for your customers to look into. So you can either use it should be persuasive or it's lively, fun, you can choose it, and AI will be generating that for you, and just simply click on the use it button and you can go ahead and save that information. So next is to start designing. You will be choosing a template, or you can look into the templates gallery. This is where you can choose on the newsletter. So when your customers will open the email, this is what will show on the email that they will be opening. So you can actually preview these templates, or you can actually use the template and then you can substitute that with the informations or the details about the newsletter that you will be sending your customers. So since this is just a template, you can definitely modify the text, the images that are on this design that we are creating. You can change the color, the font style, or if you're not satisfied with how it's layouted, you can definitely modify that as well. You can add other informations, like you can embed a link, you can add more images into the product. And once you have edited everything out, you can actually go ahead and save and quit. When you click and save and quit, you will be routed back into the campaign detail informations. And then next here is to add additional settings, whether you can have the personalize the send to field, or you can personalize as well the subscription. And once everything is set and done, you can go ahead and click on save, and then you can actually do a preview and test. So for example, this on the left side panel of the screen is an example of the how it would look like on your email. And when you click on send text, or send test rather, this is how it would look like. This is on a mobile phone. And once that's done here, you can go ahead. Once you'll have already received the email about the preview and test that we've done, you can go ahead and schedule the newsletter or the campaign that you will be doing on your Brevo account. So you can click on the exit button that's on the upper right corner of the screen. And then you can go ahead and click schedule as well. And you'll be routed into this page. On the right side panel of the screen, you can either send it now, you can send it for later, or you can send it at the best time. So for later, you can set the time, whether it's 2:30, and then you can set up at the best time if you want to schedule it later this month, like a week later or 3 days later, and you will be able to see that the campaign or the newsletter that I'm sending here is actually sent, or will be sent at 2:30 at January 5, 2024. And once that's done, you can go ahead, and if ever you want to suspend the email campaign, you can click on suspend. You can preview the email, and you can have more information wherein you can share it on your social media, or you can share the template to your colleagues or into your mentors. And aside from sending it through email, you can actually send newsletter through your SMS or through message as well. That's a very good feature here in Brevo. And as you can see, aside from the email campaigns here, on the right side panel of the screen, you'll be able to see the number of recipients, the number of openers of the email campaign that you have. Basically, it's where you'll be able to track on the email campaign whether it was successful or whether it generated you clickers for that specific newsletter or the campaign that you sent to your recipients. And that's basically it. That's how you create a newsletter here in Brevo. And that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!